Hi, my name is Brian, and in this video I am going to give my opinion about motivator or coach, as well as analyze the video. Be a student, not a follower. Being wrote and the text. Totally don't admit from motivation speak. Be Daniel Jennings. In my opinion, motivator or coaches can be useful, but it really depends on how their messages are used on how they can help people improve their mindset, become more disciplined, and focus on their goals. They often inspire people who are unmotivated or who do not know what to do with their life. However, he also believes there is a problem, and that is that some people forget things without thinking, critical, believing everything they say at as if it were absolute truth. Also not at this works for everyone, and in some cases some motivators are only looking for money or fame. For this reason, I believe the correct approach is to learn from them, but always analyze and think for yourself. In Geek Round's video, there are several important phases that teach valuable lessons on of these don'ts, which it were easier whilst you were better, which means that instead of waiting for life to become easier, we should focus on improving ourselves. For example, a student should not expect easy exams, but rather study more. Another part is discipline in the bridge between goals and accomplishment, which teaches us that discipline is what connects our goals with results. Without discipline, objectives cannot be achieved. He also cites success in nothing more that affects simple discipline practices every day, which means success is not luck but daily consistency, like studying or practice something every day. Another phrase is your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by chance. Could remain us that life does not improve on its own but when we change our habit and finally learn to work harder on yourself, thanks you do on your job, which means we should focus more on improving ourselves as individuals than only focusing on work. On the other hand, in the text totally dumps update for motivation speakers, the author Daniel Jennings has a critical, sarcastic, and negative thoughts because he does not trust motivational speakers and strongly questions the usefulness. His purpose is to make readers reflect and not believe everything motivational speakers say, especially when charge money for seminar, book, or courses. Some aspect he agreed with the author, for example, that some motivational speakers sang their message or say very expensive courses that are not always truly useful. It is also true that they often repeat the same idea. However, he does not completely agree that as of that are a scam, because there are people who have improved their life thanks to motivational minds, whether it is to gain discipline or confidence. Therefore, I believe we should not generalize. Regarding whether it cannot any motivational speak wow is scam. Some people consider that certain social media coach can be misleading, especially those who promise quick results or success without effort. To example, those who sell courses claiming you will become rich in short times without real work can create this fruit but rather than guides than scams directly. It thinks the important thing is to learn how to analyze and not believe everything automatically. In conclusion, motivational speech can have both positive and negative aspects. They can inspire and help, but can also be misused. Therefore, the most important thing is to think critically, tax what is useful and not follow everything blindly. Thank you. Muchas gracias.